Hey Hub Heroes, this is Jorge Fuentes from the Cyclic Strategies team, and today we're going to take a look at how to add a deal stage tracker to your contact record in HubSpot. Check it out. Alright, so once we're inside of HubSpot, we're going to go to the gear icon right here. We're going to click on it, and then on the left hand side, I'm going to go into, scrolling all the way to objects and then contacts. And then what I want to do is click on the record customization tab. And then from there, I'm going to edit my default view. I click on it. And then here is going to be the layout of that default view. So I'm going to go right in the middle where we have the overview tab pre-selected here. And then I'm just going to hover over like this space between the card data highlights and overview, right? So that we get this quick plus icon that's like blue/green across the board. And then I'm just going to add a card. And then from there, I'm going to go on the right hand side, and you see how we have new middle column cards here show up. I'm going to actually select the association stage tracker over here. So association stage tracker, create card. I'm going to click on create card, and I'm actually just going to relabel this as deal stage tracker. That'll be the one. And then I'm just gonna in the object type, I'm gonna select the deals object, and then I'm actually gonna just say properties will be shown in the card. That's fine. Yeah, I'll just leave it like that. And then that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna go ahead and save it. And then I'm going to close this out, and then I'm going to save and exit at the top right hand corner, save and exit, and that's it. And now when I go to my contact record on the left hand side, I'm going to go here, contacts, and then I'm going to search for my name, which is Jorge Fuentes, and I believe the one that I have with the deal associated is this one right here. So Jorge Fuentes right there. And then you'll notice that all the way in the middle, actually here in the overview section, we actually now have my deal stage tracker, which just makes it easier for me because I know that this contact is associated to this deal, they're in this stage, and I can see other important properties there, such as like next step, amount, close date, and last activity date. And that's pretty much it. So now you have deal data within your contact record that you can quickly take a look at and reference as per your associated records information, in this case, the deal. Remember, education is great, but the execution is where it's at. So go out there and be the hub hero that your organization needs today.